Better look. I was just informed that a city council member was right in front of us. Could be wrong, could be right. But look at that. So my question is, what are they going to do about this other part of the building? That's it. Sorry, my hands are shaky. It's cold. Now, if I was doing this, I would freak out if I seen a dead body. Is there even a firefighter up? There's not even a firefighter up there. I thought they always got to be up there. Looks like the news is about ready to leave. Now that's part of the same building, isn't it? Right here, or different ones? Right there in that one.
That's a different part, yeah. The fire didn't go there.